A home has two prices, and most people are only aware of one. And your team here at Coastal wants to make sure we are getting our clients, that we are getting you everything that you deserve. Hi, my name is Kim Dowling, and I am the broker owner here at Coastal Luxury Partners. In this video, I'm going to share with you how we differentiate between two types of home prices and how we get our clients what they actually deserve so they don't leave any money on the table. But first, what I want to share with you is the single most important factor in selling your home, and that is your safety and your comfort. One of the things that we know is selling your home is one of the most stressful experiences that people have. Every move carries some big changes along with it. You're changing your location, the layout of your home, maybe even your friends and your job. If you're like a lot of our clients, right now you may be concerned with where you're going to go. Where are you going to move to? And of course, one of the biggest pain points for anyone making a move is money, financial. But here's the great news. We know how to make your move less stressful and much more fun. We just helped one family sell their home with the contingency that they have the time to find their new home. We helped another really lovely couple rent their home back for 3 months after closing to match the timeline with their new construction home that is still being built. We are selling homes for clients and putting homes under contract for buyers every day. And there is an order to the chaos. We know exactly what to do. I've got story after story that I'm happy to share with you as you think through your different options. And once we make the decision to pull the trigger and sell, we get to talk about the fact that every home has two prices and what specifically impacts both of those price points. So first and foremost, we know the law of economy, which is the law of supply and demand. And I'm sure that you've seen and heard recently that the supply and demand in our market is drastically affecting the homes available. And it has driven up home prices beyond what anyone thought that their home could possibly be worth. Here's an example. Our team has been working with a wonderful family that this time last year started preparing their home for sale. They needed to make a move in about 6 to 8 months, and we've been helping this family get the home ready. We had lots of projects to get through for move. In a short 8-month span of time, the price that we decided to list their home for went up over $300,000. That, my friends, is the law of supply and demand that is absolutely controlling our market right now. It's dictating the price of every home, and we are absolutely shocking people with the price they can get for their homes and the money they can put in their pocket. Now, here's the second price that almost no one else ever talks about, and that is the cost of money. We all know that interest rates are changing. We've recently seen interest rates move up more than they have in months. They've been climbing since January, slowly and steadily, and yes, they're going up, but it's also a historically low market. But what we're looking at is that there is a difference for buyers between 2.75% and the current rates of 3.3%. So the question is, what do rising interest rates mean? If you're going from 2.75% to 3.3%, when interest rates begin to shift, it changes the price that buyers are willing to pay. Naturally, a home that was one price months ago, when the interest rate goes up, the payments for that same home are going to be higher. The net price of the home goes up. Monthly payments go up, and the number of buyers that can qualify to purchase the home naturally goes down. There are less buyers in every price point as interest rates rise. Buyers shift down. So we watch the direct impact that interest rates make on the purchasing power of buyers. It's so important to know both types of prices because people buy based on two different principles. The two things are the supply and demand price and the interest rate price. As closely as we are able to watch the interest rates, we watch the supply. And as we move further into the year, we expect for inventory to go up, which will settle home prices down. So if you're considering making a move, you may want to do it now before inventory goes up. Right now, you have much less competition. And as we move through spring and into summer, we are watching both metrics, both price factors very closely for you. If you are a seller, you want to focus on inventory levels. If you are a buyer, your focus is going to lean toward how interest rates will affect you, especially our first-time home buyers. So sometimes it sounds complicated. Send me a message anytime when you have questions. We can break the numbers down in very simple terms that match your particular needs and your particular situation. And the only thing that matters is for you to get everything that you deserve when you make a move. If you are interested in knowing what your house is worth, reach out and give us a call. And give me a call with any questions at any time. We are more than happy to guide you in the right direction. We are here to be of service for you and your family. Did you know that there are 2 prices for every home? And most people have no idea. Now you know, and you know exactly what to watch out for in this market. We'll see you again next week.